Hi, welcome to your channel, The Ancients. I am Dr. Mohar M. Ghosh, Vastu expert and numerologist. I am back today with another very informative video about the money plant. This video gives you tips of how to take care of your money plant, which direction to keep it in, how to take care of it so that you have prosperity, career growth, and harmonious relationships. But before we go on to the Vastu tips about the money plant, could I request all those of you who have come on to the first time to the channel, The Ancients, to kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also share these with your friends and family so that they too can benefit with the astrology, numerology, and Vastu tips which we share with you on a regular basis. I started this channel in February 2021 to share with all of you the essence of astrology, numerology, and Vastu so that you can live a life filled with good health, wealth, prosperity, good fortune, peace of mind, and enjoy harmonious relationships with your friends and family. Coming back to our topic, let's start first with the direction of the money plant. The first direction where you can keep the money plant is the southeast. The southeast is ruled by Lord Ganesha and planet Venus. So when you keep a money plant in the southeast, not only does Lord Ganesha take away all your obstacles, he is the Vignaharta, but also Venus blesses you with luxuries, prosperity. The second direction where you can keep the money plant is in the north. Here, when you keep the money plant in the north, it has a lot of additional benefits. It brings additional sources of income, opens up additional sources of income, it enhances your career opportunities, and brings good luck into your homes. The third direction where you can keep the money plant is in the east. When you keep the money plant in the east, it improves your relationship between husband and wife and other family members. Also, it increases your self-confidence, self-reliance, and gives you additional leadership qualities. People look upon you with respect. Never ever keep the money plant in the northeast, southwest, or southern direction. When you keep it in these three directions, it will bring obstacles, poverty, discord, disputes in your home. Be very, very careful. If they are kept in these directions by mistake by you, please move it immediately. Number two, it's very important that you water the money plant daily and take care of it by yourself. Do not allow your gardener to take care of your money plant. No, it's like giving away your wealth. The money plant has to be taken care by yourself. At the least, water it once daily. Remove any dead plants. That's the least that you should be doing. Don't allow others to take on this responsibility. Money plants are best kept indoors. When they're kept indoors, all the benefits come to you much faster. Ensure that when you keep it in the southeast, you keep the money plant in a soil base. When you keep it in the east, keep it in a soil base. When you keep the money plant in the north, keep it in a water base. Money plants can grow both in water and in soil. And if you are keeping it in the north, keep it in water only. The best color pots for your money plant are green, blue, and purple. These enhance its positivity and bring in the results faster. Ensure that you do not keep any clutter near your money plant. Ensure that you do not dry any clothes near your money plant. This is very important. Otherwise, instead of positivity, you will share the negative effects. Never ever allow the money plant leaves to grow downwards or to hang down. Always the money plant must be given support to grow upwards. When the money plant grows upward and you've supported it to grow so with a thread or with a stick or stem, your financials will grow, your savings will grow, your prosperity will grow, your character opportunities will increase. If you allow it to hang down the money plant creeper, then you will face a lot of difficulties and obstacles in your life. Like I said earlier, don't ever allow the money plant to dry up. Remove the dried leaves as soon as you spot them immediately. Never keep a dustbin near your money plant. And last but not the least, never ever, if you are having a money plant in your home, keep it in a storeroom near storage material, unwashed dishes, unwashed clothes, dustbins. These areas and clutter should never ever be near the money plant. Friends, I've shared with you some critical tips about the money plant with you today. I repeat once again, kindly subscribe to the channel and also share these videos with your friends and family so that they too are benefited with the essence of astrology, numerology and Vastu which I share with you. Friends, till we meet again with another very informative video on your very own channel, The Ancients. Stay safe, good luck, all the best.